How to log out Viber on your desktop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log out from your Viber on desktop. So let's say once you open this Viber application on your PC or laptop, just head over to the settings gear icon at the top right corner, select it, and here you may have noticed that there is no direct option to simply log out from your Viber when you are using it on your PC or laptop. So only way to do that is just head over to this privacy and security option over here and simply scroll all the way down and click on this deactivate. So it's basically will delete your conversation history, but it will keep you logged in with your mobile device if you are still logged in with your mobile. So basically just come over here and just simply deactivate from over here, and once you do that you can actually re-log in with your login credentials on your PC as well. So that is exactly how we do it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.